every time I go out, I hear compliments about my hair, and today I was like, let me film a step-by-step hair care video and tell you everything I do to take care of my hair and to get shiny and healthier hair. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you everything I do for my hair and my hair care step by step. We all know your hair is one of the most important parts of your appearance, and a healthy and shiny hair looks more put together and more beautiful. So let's just quickly start the video. Before I start saying everything I do, I have to mention that I went blonde 5 or 6 months ago, and I went brunette, and after that I went to my normal black hair, but it is not my natural hair. It is colored, but my natural hair is also black. My hair got damaged a lot. After that I had to do some things extra. You don't always have to do that, but just keep in mind that dyeing your hair too much will damage your skin will damage your hair. And I just wanted to say that as well. So let's just start the video now that I said everything. Okay, the first thing I want to say is that last week I started doing protein therapy on my hair, and it took me like 30 minutes or less than 1 hour. I can definitely say it took less than 1 hour, and I have to do it once a month. And I can tell you that you can see my hair looks so much better and got healthier, and it basically moisturizes your hair. Definitely recommend it, but just keep in mind to go to a good salon. Just because somewhere is expensive, it doesn't mean that they are doing their job right. I know a lot of beauty salons in my city that are expensive, but their job is actually not good. Next thing, scalp massager brush like this. I rub my scalp with it every time I take a shower, and then after that I put shampoo and a conditioner after that. I learned doing this from TikTok a year ago. Next thing is conditioner. I use this OGX coconut milk conditioner. I have been using it for I think 2 years now, and this is one of my favorites. You have to put your conditioner after you shampoo, let it stay between 3 to 5 minutes, and then wash your hair with water. Make sure to not to put your conditioner on your roots, and only put it on the end of your hair and massage it for a few minutes, and then wash it and you are good to go. Another thing that I do after shower is using oil on the end of my hair. I use natural almond oil. It's like this. It doesn't have a brand. I put a little bit of it and I put it on the end of my hair. Just keep in mind that you shouldn't be using too much oil because your hair will look greasy and dirty, especially if you're using it every night. You should not be washing your hair every day because that will also damage your hair. Coming to that, I only wash my hair 2 times a week. 3 times is not so good but not so bad, but washing your hair more than 3 times a week will damage your hair, and your hair will get thinner and greasier faster. And I've had friends that they were always complaining about why their hair is so thin. They are always losing hair. Their hair gets oily so fast while they were washing it every day, and they didn't realize that this was the actual problem. Washing your hair every day will damage it more. Wash your body every day and wash your hair only 2 times a week, and you are good to go. Another thing that I learned from my mom is that I use rice water on my hair once a month, and I let it stay for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I take a shower, and it helps your hair to get shiny. Oh, and I also forgot something. Don't use too much heat on your hair. There was a time that I used to blow out my hair every day, and that made my hair so dry and so damaged that I had to stop it. And yeah, this is actually one of the most damaging things for your hair, to use heat on it very often. And also don't forget to use heat protection when you are using heat on your hair. It doesn't matter what brand you're using, just use something that works. And are good to go, but also keep in mind that you should not be using too much heat. But if you're using too much heat on your hair, it doesn't matter what hair care you do, how many steps it has, your hair will get damaged. So yeah, this is it. Another thing is your diet. Your diet is one of the most important parts. If you're not using good food and whole foods, you will start to lose your hair. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.